Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Thursday, August 31st. And you can see on the headlines, we're still dealing with what was Hurricane Harvey, and it's brought a tremendous amount of rainfall, but it's beginning to move now as it's got into Louisiana, and it'll begin to move off to the northeast with a little bit more of a quicker pace, but still pretty slow. And you can see the extended outlook. You can see we're still looking for quite a bit of cool temperatures here for the first week or 10 days of September. In fact, we could be running around 15 degrees below normal, so it's going to be hard to make September a warmer than normal month, but we think we will warm up quite a bit, especially during the second two-thirds of the month. And you can see for today and tomorrow, highs only in the upper 60s, low 70s. Will warm up nicely for the Labor Day weekend with highs well into the 70s, maybe around 80 degrees for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And then we'll see a strong cold front that'll move through the area, and that's going to really change our weather pattern with lots of 60s and even some 40s for lows. Maybe some of the locally colder spots could drop well down into even the low 30s up places like Luther and Leota, Marion, up in that area. You can see this morning, though, temperature's pretty comfortable in the upper 50s to the low 60s. And if we look at the satellite view, you can see our storm continues to spin around a depression now, and again, it'll slowly begin to move off to the northeast into Tennessee, parts of Kentucky, into southern Ohio here over the next couple of days. But again, it's still a slow mover. It's going to take all the way to Saturday, I think, before we see that storm move up towards southern Ohio. And you can see the path of that as of last night. Pretty much this path right across southern Ohio as we get into Saturday. It should keep the effects of that off to our south. We'll be looking at perhaps a front dropping through the area that could bring us a shower, but for the most part, it looks like plenty of sunshine right on through the holiday weekend. Maybe a shower, a thunder shower late Sunday, late Monday into early Tuesday. That would be our next best chance of rainfall. You can see some of the winds at the beginning of the storm. The peak winds up around 132 miles per hour was the highest recorded with some of the weather stations down there. And you can see, of course, the rainfall amounts, the final amounts, again, many areas over 40 inches, and the list actually went down quite a bit farther than that. You can see on the weather map this morning, the front moved through here, much more cooler, refreshing type air mass now in place. And again, it's going to be cool the next couple of days with lows in the 40s. But then again, as we move the map into motion, as we get into Friday, you can see as the high pressure system begins to slide off to our east, we'll start to get a return flow as we get especially into the weekend, and I think that's when we'll see our temperatures recover into the 70s on Saturday and around 80 for Sunday and Monday. And you can see by Saturday, the next cold front will slowly be moving this way, but this low will keep it hung up. So I think we'll have a chance to warm up. And any precipitation, again, should wait until Monday night into Tuesday. And then again, the big headlines will be a very fall-like pattern next week with a lot of 60-degree temperatures. There could even be a day or two where highs maybe only get into the upper 50s. And you can see here as we go into the weekend, really nice conditions other than a little cool today and tomorrow. But the weekend looks perfect with temperatures in the 70s to around 80, especially for Sunday and Monday. Again, really nice holiday weekend coming up. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.